Okay, so this is an interesting situation. Tingnan mo yung bago kong nilagay ko kasi para hindi na ako mag-isip, eh, para okay, bilisan mo mag-edit, okay? So, ayun. I have a very interesting situation right now. Leeg ko sakit. Ah, okay, birthday ng anak ko kanina kaya it's good. Nag-bonding kami, naglaro kami ng Roblox ta's, I ordered her some food kasi nga nasa Pilipinas siya, nasa Kuwait ako ngayon, eh, 'di ba? May bagyo nga sa Pilipinas ngayon men, grabe ang lala, nakakalungkot men. Nakakalungkot talaga 'pag may mga bagyo-bagyo and shit. But anyway, so, the thing that I wanna talk about is, my situation, my experience 'no. I was very productive kanina kasi of course kailangan ko na ipasa 'yun unang-una. Pangalawa, naobserbahan ko na pagkapatapos na ako sa isang bagay is, mas mabilis ko talaga siyang magawa 'no. I mean hindi ko kailangan ng breaks kasi hindi na siya nakaka-stress, eh. It's kinda enjoyable tsaka siguro nga alam mo 'yun, last push na tapos sakto kailangan na namin maglaro ng anak ko kasi may situation, eh. Like puro ako situation, ah. Kailangan na namin maglaro ng anak ko. Hindi kami makakapaglaro hangga't hindi ko napapasa yung video kasi 'pag naglaro kami ng anak ko at hindi ko pa napapasa yung video, for sure makakatulugan ko na naman 'yun sa pagod. So, nag-video call lang kami habang nagtatrabaho ako para okey naman, 'di ba? Tapos, okey so, 'yun okey naman productive 'no, and I'm very excited na tapusin yung mga ibang projects kasi ang laking bottleneck talaga ng listening video na 'yan. Like, it took me days talaga just to finish it. Ang laki niyang hurdle 'no, kasi nga I don't have the best infrastructure or workflow for making listening videos, and I want to prepare for that moving forward, and I want to adopt whatever I learned from it right now. Like in my brain, it's kind of working right now 'no. Alam ko kung paano gawin yung mga bagay-bagay and it's kind of good. Um, gusto kong mangyari is, I would say, how do I explain this? Ang gusto kong mangyari is, mental block ako. Ang gusto kong mangyari is i-apply yung mga learnings ko dun or yung momentum ko rito sa long form videos, okay? Which I'm about to do right now for Steven, no? Meron pa akong mga pending sa second client ko, eh, which I really need to do, no? That's the focus for today. It's kinda busy but it's okay kasi again, we're building the infrastructure and, isa lang masasabi ko, I really want to perform and I can feel that I'm performing, and that's the main topic of this video. Ah, naninibago ako sa performance ko, unfortunately. Unfortunately meaning kasi ano, hindi ako sanay ng nananalo, eh. Kainis nga, eh, hindi ako sanay na magaling ako na ginagawa ko yung tama. At to be honest, this is just the baseline. Kung ano man yung nararamdaman ko na proud ako sa sarili ko, na natutuwa ako sa sarili ko kasi nakakatapos ako ng projects, this is the bare minimum. So imagine kung anong klase yung utak ko 'no. Gano'n ka-fucked up yung utak ko to the point na yung bare minimum is naaastigan na ako, like feeling ko I feel accomplished. Pero hindi man, this is the bare minimum that I'm supposed to do, 'di ba? It just so happens na I'm not skilled enough. I don't have the enough training, spoiled yung utak ko. I've built up bad habits all throughout the years. Never ako naging on time men nung college. Diyos ko, college. Nung sa call center kahit papaano naging hindi na ako late kasi, I would say, na-build ko yung habit, eh, 'no, tsaka parang ang nonsense, eh, ba't pa ako magpapa-late? Napakapangit ng feeling ng ma-late sa company namin before sa VXI kasi, may nadadamay na ibang tao, which is, it's hard to ang pangit nun men, like male-late ako ta's madadamay yung team leader ko, 'di ba, like bullshit, ayoko na ma-late. And, unfortunately gano'n nga yung napansin kong, pattern pagdating sa'kin tsaka maybe sa ibang tao rin na we tend to do better if it's for others 'no. Kasi even for kindness, definitely mas mabait ako sa ibang tao kaysa sa sarili ko, which I've been, trying to work on for years na pero most of the time nakakalimutan ko siya, eh, kasi like paano ko matatandaan na maging mabait ako sa sarili ko, like hindi mo naman maiisip yun 'di ba na harsh ka sa sarili mo. Pero looking back, I do think na nag-improve na ako ron. Not nang hindi pilit, naturally 'no. Hindi ko dina-down yung sarili ko as much as possible. If I know something that will harm me a lot, emotionally, I don't do it. 'Cause, in a way, it's, baka yun na rin yung my own, way of self-care. But anyway, Yun yung gusto kong pag-usapan ngayon, man. Like, it's so weird. Pero again, ito nga yung goal eh. Kung ano man yung meron ako ngayon, gusto kong ito yung maging new normal. No? And masarap lang sa pakiramdam kasi habang tumatagal, padali siya ng padali. Which I think this is the thing eh. So probably this is going to be my target right now. Or hindi man siya target kasi medyo nagiging nakaka-pressure siya pag ginawa ko siyang target. I would say I would keep an eye on to continuing this kind of attitude, this kind of output, for 30 days or maybe 15 days. Kasi this is actually so sa the previous week pa lang nagsimula ako, 'di ba? So this is technically my second week, 'di ba? So first day of the second week. So I don't want to push myself too much because again, ma-overwhelm ako or whatever. So yeah, I just want to keep an eye on myself and improve, increase the ceiling kasi again, medyo nakakalungkot na nakakatawa, ang gulo, to be honest. Although I do understand, looking at it right now, dapat hindi ko i-compare yung sarili ko sa iba, 'di ba? Pero it's just that there is an industry standard, 'no? Merong normal, 'no? Hindi ako normal na baba ako, 'no? The fact na natutuwa ako na nagiging normal na ako, I'm on time, it's kinda good. Or maybe there's another thing or factor dito na hindi ko napapansin. It's just that I'm doing too much, no? That's one thing also. Yung iba may trabaho lang sila no? Editor kung ano man 'yan, they can they deliver. Ako kasi hindi lang ako editor, ang dami ko ring ginagawa. I'm also a leader. So, managing the admin stuff, I consider myself as an AI engineer, no, in a way. So, I don't know. Pero again, I don't want that to be some struggles or excuses. I don't want excuses. Okay? So yun yung una. Anyway, so yeah, I wanna say na I'm really happy. And meron din akong tendency na maging excited agad-agad, no? Which is, isa rin yun siguro sa gusto kong mawala kaunti, parang mabawas-bawasan. Kasi before, maniwala ka sa akin, the fact na ganito ako productive, super saya ko na, no? Wala, high, sobrang high. Wala, hindi nga dapat 'to yung high. I think this is the normal thing, no? This is supposed to be the normal thing. You know what? I would consider myself as happy or high if I'm able to finish at least one long form video in a single day. What I mean by it is, merong long form na sinend ngayon, ngayong araw, tapos export na siya at the end of the day, no? I'm able to do that sa podcast, no, on the podcast end, but I was able to do that through automations, 'di ba? And I want to achieve that kind of level pagdating sa editing. And I think it's possible, no? Napatunayan ko na eh. So kailangan lang natin siyang gawin. But anyway, yun talaga, that is not normal at all. May karapatan na ako na mag-celebrate nun if na-achieve ko yun. Kasi, I would say, but that is my potential though. Yung like finishing a video in a single day, yun yung potential ko eh. Like, I would say that is my preferred normal, no? I would say my extreme should be like 10 long form videos na pinadala lang sa akin tapos tatapusin ko in a single day nang hindi ako gano'n kapagod. Para sa akin yun talaga ang I would say almost peak. Hindi ko na alam kung may kaya pa akong mas ilakas pa dun. Pero I would say yun talaga ang preference ko, preferred or maybe 5, 'di ba? Pero again, the normal thing that I want to happen is again, just finish a video in a single day, and yeah, just build the infrastructure and the habits and the mental capacity in order to do that. And again, going back to the 30 days, pagulo-gulo ako no, kagising ko lang. The 30 days. The reason why pumasok sa isip ko yun na gusto ko ng 30 days at least or 15 days or just keep an eye on myself is about the rehab concept wherein the hardest part of changing or rehabilitation whatever is the first 30 days. After ng first 30 days parang magbabago daw yung perception mo or whatever, which I can't relate, no. Ngayon medyo, pero kasi ang aga pa no, it's too early to tell, no. And why am I even this excited about my change, the new normal, what I'm feeling right now? Kasi nagkakaroon ako ng proof sa utak ko Ito na yung pinaka-point ko. For the second time in a row, I'm supposed to do something stupid, which is my normal thing to do, unfortunately, which is mag-Facebook, hindi muna mag-work, no? Make it a bad morning, no? I consider it as a bad morning. Nasa akin na lahat ng tools, nasa akin na lahat ng reasons. I can celebrate. It's the weekend, 'di ba? Like it's technically it's Sunday, but Monday in my clock. Kasi again, uh, how can I explain this? Sunday kasi sa akin is ano eh, tawag dito, basta palagi akong nalilito, hirap na hirap akong i-explain, basta advance ako ng one day. So kung Sunday ngayon, Monday na sa akin kasi I wanna be advanced, okay? So yun lang yun. So yun, yun lang, this is the second time, and it's kind of unreal. Which is again, lahat ng change gano'n. I know and I need to acknowledge that it's normal for me na matuwa sa sarili ko na I'm doing the right thing. Hindi ko ginagawa yung stupido thing na usually gagawin ko na hindi ko na papansinin na okey lang yan. Pero 'pag dumating na yung consequence, ako naman magsa-suffer ng sobra ta's downward spiral na from there. Like, dapat 'di muna ako nanood ng ganito, dapat tinapos ko muna 'tong project na 'to para hindi ako nahihirapan, hindi ako naghahabol ng shit, 'di ba? Gano'n kasi yung pattern ko unfortunately, and yun lang gusto ko lang i-share dito na again, too early to tell pero I just feel that I'm breaking the cycle, 'no? And again, I'm just happy that I'm experiencing this. I feel so blessed and I want to continue. And again, I don't want to also overwhelm myself. Like I don't wanna be too excited for this kasi ayoko naman na maging expectation ko na ganito ako palagi 'no. Kasi again, expectation really sucks for me. Yun lang ang observation ko sa sarili ko when I expect and nasasaktan ako, it's just so hard, so I just don't expect too much. I don't less pressure, and again, no thinking pagdating sa cuts, editing is just helpful for me. And, yun lang naman, and, yun. So it's a good Monday, it's an amazing Monday for us, 'no? It's an amazing Monday, and tignan natin kung kamusta ako bukas, and again, we will track our performance, for next week then. Kasi, again, we still have a lot of things, 'no, output projects that we need to put out, 'no? We need to, as much as we can, improve in the output side, again, execution side. Kasi once na nagawa natin yun, then this is the first step, 'di ba? So, making your mornings correct, 'no? Starting the day right. Now, it's all about, again, training the endurance, 'no, resilience, systems, ano pa bang dapat kong ginagawa para mas mapadali ko yung trabaho ko, ano ba dapat yung hindi ko ginagawa, 'no? Just help to heal my brain, my attention span, no, continuous lang, continuous. So yun, I think yun lang naman, dami kong sinabi today. I'm just so excited and it's an amazing start of the week. So, yun lang naman.